Villain or hero, I pull from within. Make me feel like truth in lies, coming from the lips above her chin. Disgust disguise, uncomfortable safety pin. The greed overspins facts, thoughts take over, attacks begin. Looking over myself in the mirror, then realize I'm good as I've ever been. The values fully there, head straight through unsteady vibrations of the day's state. For the ways of the soul I accelerate through the noise where the static plays. Every word feels like a signal flare, burns too bright but the heat still feels rare. Do they read it right or Mr. Clear? Can't decode what was never there. Yeah, she's pulling me closer now. Heartbeats heavy, no slowing down. Lights flash but we don't see crowds, only her and I. I move like signals through the air. Turn up the volume, but nothing's clear. Can't chase what don't appear. If the room stays cold, then I bring it near. No patterns, but the lights still shift gear. No wires, but we feel the lift here. Every space between us fits, steers, guides. Like a thread that pulls, but will never wait. They try to track the steps I take, but every move's a clean escape. Can't trace what never leaves a shape. I let the rhythm bend and break, while the sounds tend to conversate. Yeah, she waits for me to land, but I never touch the sand. Moving through the space between, something seen but never planned. Yeah, she says it feels too real, like a moment standing still. But I let the current pull, sink into the way it feels and frees me still. Yeah, she's pulling me closer now. Heartbeats heavy, no slowing down. Lights flash, but we don't see crowds, only her and I in the sound. Yeah, she moves so slow. Heartbeats rise but never show.